Guys, I got on the extensions. I never wear extensions because basically my hair has been long all my life. But I recently cut it. Look at this. This is short for me. So this is great timing. Let's try them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put them on. Maybe you guys need to help me. For those ones that don't know me, I am Joanna. I review products, makeup, clothing, everything. And I would love if you could click this subscribe and like button, as this will help me get to more awesome people like you. Let's go. Okay, so this was sent from a business called GoGo. Here is their website. Let's open it together because I want to show you how it comes actually. So this is the packaging. It says GoGo Hair Extensions. And let's see what is inside. The box is a bit broken, but I like to see this. Something that you guys don't know about me is that I work in marketing, and I love seeing businesses actually adding their social media pages, email, and everything to the packaging. Well done. So I guess it comes with hair, a clip, I might need it, in a little book. Those are the instructions. It says, "Hello friends, Graham from GoGo Hair." Love that. So here they show you how to put different kind of extensions. So I got the clippings, but they have the ones that you glue in. I think that's what you do. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, but let's do it. First of all, it says to put my hair up, so let's do that. Apparently I need to section my hair. The clip is good, I have to say, because normally clips don't stay on my hair. My hair is super heavy, so let's open these. Ooh. I don't know what's that. I guess clips, I don't know. It comes like in this bag, can you see it? Like the fishing kind of weird thing. Ooh, look at that. It's so soft. It looks like my real hair, no jokes. I love it. It's so good, and look at the color. It's kind of brownish. Let me tell you which color I got. I forgot. Okay, I got the dark brown. The hair length is 24 and weighs 120 grams. I love it. But, oh yeah, I think it matches. I hope it does. Okay, let's open these. When I checked the site, they said that they make high quality hair extensions. So that's why I went with it. And they say that they provide the highest quality human hair extensions. So that's what it is. I honestly like it, and I never obviously tried extensions before, so maybe somebody that knows more about extensions will not like it, or maybe will love it. But I personally think that I have to. Oh my god, I throw one to the floor. No. Oh my god, it comes with 1, 2, I think it's 6. Let me count them. 7, guys. Can you see? Guys, I'm making a mess. I guess everybody knows that I'm not good at this, but apparently they come with those clips. Can you see them? Apparently you guys need to open them. It's like when I was little. I don't know if you guys had those clips when you guys were little, but I have many of those, and you just clip. And after you just close them like this. Oh, that's fun. Okay, this is the most difficult thing that I'm going to have to do, which is put it on. So I honestly cannot get over of how soft they actually are. Okay, clip of that. I think I clipped them. Man, they feel softer than my hair. What? This bit is a bit longer, so those are the extensions. But seriously, it feels much softer than my natural hair. Why? I think I need a hair treatment. We have another big piece, so I guess take another chunk from here. They come with instructions, and I should be reading them, but I'm the kind of person that doesn't like reading things. I like to do whatever I want, whenever I want. So let's see what comes out of this. It's going to be my first time that I put them on, so you know, I will learn next time. I don't care, I just want to see how they look, and maybe later on I can try better. Okay, again. And the, ooh, I think I put this one much better. Love it. Me looking crazy again. Okay, let's see. Ooh la la. Ooh, I got volume. I got quite a lot of volume. That is insane. Okay, let's put the next one. There is another big one, but I actually want to try this one, which is a tiny one. And I'm going to do whatever I want again, so that's what I'm doing. Guys, sorry, I need to look the other way because I have mirrors there. Oh, like that. There. I love it. Huh. Looks like I have so much hair. Okay, let's brush this and put the next piece. Is stunning, guys. I'm going to be wearing this. Even when my hair grows again, I think I'm going to be using it because it gives me so much volume. I never in my life tried this. I really thought it was for people that doesn't have much hair, but I was grown. I was so grown about it. Oh, there you are. Wait, that didn't go well. Well, I do what I want, right? Because it's my first time, so there you go. I was missing my long hair. Look at the chunk of hair I have now, and I have 3 more. Look at that. Man, I'm so in love. This is not a paid promotion, by the way, nothing to do with that. Even if I have a discount code and you can check it below, nobody's paying me for this. I honestly love them. If you guys have been in my channel for a long time, you will know that I am pretty honest with the reviews I do. If I don't like it, I don't like it. If I like it, I like it. It's how it is. And reality is that I started this channel just because I wasn't trusting influencers on the internet when they review products. I wanted to review them on my own. Guys, I have 2 more pieces to put on and I'm going to do off camera just because I want to place them in the right way, just to give myself a little bit more length and make sure that everything blends together. Forgive me. Okay guys, done. This is the final look. I obviously need to straighten my hair just to make sure that everything blends together, but look at this. It is stunning. It's so soft. I'm really happy with the color I got because it blends really good with my natural color. Look at that. Oh gosh. That was everything for today, guys. If you guys have liked my video, don't forget to comment below and subscribe. I think that package was enough for me because my hair is super thick now. I just need to blend it better, but you have the option to get more packages if you need it, even though I don't think you will. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.